Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Imanshi and I am the faculty of the BEST Institute. I have the brochure of this institute, and we provide you with various courses and programs in our institute, like spoken English courses, computer courses, SSC classes and stenography classes, graphic designing, tuition classes and many other things. First of all, I will tell you all about the spoken English program. In the basics, we will tell you about the adverbs, adjectives, nouns, pronouns, WH words and many other basic things. And in advance, we will provide you with skills like body language, personality development, reading, writing and listening skills and body language, manners, etiquettes and many other things. The duration of this programs is 6 months and the fees is very reasonable. It's just 1,000 per month. If you want to join us, then you can take 2 days of demo class, and if you like our teaching and if you like the experience, then you can join us. Now I will go on to the computer classes. We have three categories in the computer classes, like the basic and the diploma and the advanced. In the basic, we will teach you about all the basic things that we have in a computer. It's a 6 months course, and then in the diploma course, all the basic programs will be added and a few more things will be added in that program. The duration of the diploma course is 8 months, and if we go on to the advanced version of the diploma program, it's a 12-month course, and it will have both the applications of the basic and the diploma programs and many more things about the computer in the diploma program. It will help you, like everyone needs computer in our daily life, so it will help you with the computer skills. And then we also have stenography classes. In the stenography classes, we have two modes, like the shorthand basic and the shorthand speed. The fees are all the course fees are very reasonable. Then we also have the SSC classes. SSC classes are very important for the government jobs, so it will be very beneficial if you are planning for a government job. Then we also have tuition classes. We provide tuition from 6 to 8th, then 9 to 10th and 11 to 12th. And if you are a BCom student from college, then also we provide you classes for the subjects like English, Maths, Accounts, Economics and Business. So that's all about our institute. If you like our institute, then for each program you can take demo classes, and if you like our teaching, like our faculty, then you can surely join our institute. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jatin and I am the student of the BEST Institute, and we provide you many things like English spoken classes, computer classes and many more. In English classes, we provide you about articles, gender and usage of speech, pronouns, adjective and verbs and many more. In advance, we provide you like manners and etiquettes, how to behave in a public and public speaking and many more. In computer classes, we provide you computer application, graphic designing and office assistance and many more. And we also have diploma in computer, like in which we will teach you the basics and the advanced also. And we also have short term programs, like if you wanna advanced Excel, Python, SQL and many more. And we also have stenography classes and SSC classes, like if you wanna do SSC, we also provide SSC classes, and its fees are very cheap, and if you are a middle class and you can afford it, and we are here for basically for middle class students, so that they can do good in their future. Thank you everyone.
So ladies and gentlemen, so I have a prospector of the BEST Institute. I will tell you about the program we provide you. So there are many programs in this institute. So for example, English spoken classes and diploma classes, basic computer classes and SSC classes and tuition classes, and there are classes many more. And so firstly I will explain you English spoken classes. So I will tell you about basic things, English spoken classes, and adverbs, journals, and pronoun, noun, and tenses. And I will tell you about advanced English spoken classes. So listening and writing skills, and body language development, confidence development, and communication skills, and speak development. And duration is 6 months, and fees is very reasonable. There are 3 types of course in this institute: computer, and firstly basic computer. I will tell you basic computer things, Microsoft and Excel and Access and PowerPoint. Duration is 6 months, and fees is very reasonable.
Hello everybody, my name is Abdul and I am a student of this institute. In this institute we provide computer application and office assessment program and graphic designing. In computer application we provide computer diploma computer application and account assistant program, and advanced diploma in software technology, and we provide spoken English program. In spoken English program we provide how to